doing it again. And now it's it's my father's old phone now. And do I get to keep it? No, he wants me to sell it. So, yeah, he wants me to reset it and sell it. The problem of this thing, it has no power button. So that sucks. Hey everyone, it's Haswell Studios, and we're back to another episode of Tabletop. This is episode 2, I think. Probably, yes. It's episode 2, and we're going to repair this Realme Y21 or something. So, yeah. We can't introduce, the OS in this thing, and this isn't lowbat. This is just at 20% charge. So let's just open it up without tools. Oh wait a minute. Let me get my screws. Where is the Phillips? Where's the Phillips screw? I think I lost my screw. There we go. I think this is it. Okay, let's take it apart. Yes, it's so easy to take this thing apart. Well, it's just like that, man. It's just like that. So, this is the phone that I talked to you last episode, where, I am not currently using my grandmother's phone anymore. I am using my real phone. Scheiße. I'm using my real phone because it's fixed. And yeah, this has the same problem as this phone that I'm using as a camera now. My father is a construction worker, and the environment there is really bad, and and well, I could say but I think he tried to fix it as well. So it broke. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just too nervous to open these up. But yeah. Oh my god, it's a tough screw. Oh, I got him. I'm going to find the screws later on. But today we're just going to remove everything. Oopsie, not again. I think we got it. Now, how to get the plastic thing out? Plastic shielding, as it was called, I think. Oh, that would be cock and bull. Abuse. I am currently finding. Oh, nope. It comes out. Yeah, that was easy. That was super easy. Oh no, the fingerprint sensor fell down. Johnny, yes, Papa. So let's remove these clipsies. Oh wait, connectors. Especially this battery connector. Oh my god, I can't remove it. Don't force it. Let's use a tool to pry it off. Where's my flat head? It's a shame this doesn't get this thing isn't going to be my new phone anytime soon, because later on in the video I'll what my real new phone is. I think No, it's not exactly. Oh, that flew out. Oh, it's not exactly called as a new phone. It's just, we'll see. Also, we're going to benchmark this thing as well. So yeah. Okay, how do I get you out? I think I may have found out. Okay. Ah, that wasn't bad. Okie dokie. Now we're going to target the buttons. So we're scraping this thing off. Now, you get off of this phone. You are now evicted because you didn't do your job. Ah, my god. That's dirty. Okay, dokie. Let's get the package out of the package. So I bought the buttons and some button pads things. I forgot what these are, just like the last video. But the last video I didn't use them because the things were actually fine. But now we're going to use it because look at this. Doesn't have the power button anymore. Also, yeah, after we attach the button, because we're going to test it and see if it, if it still works, or I haven't shitted up anything yet. Okay, let's where's the buttons at. Okay, just like last time, I'm going up front. Face reveal. Lol. But okay. It's me. I'm Haswell. I only have one eye. Yeah. Yeah. Not. I think it's my fault. I don't know who's the fault at this. Is it anyone? Don't really know. Aw. This phone model has more fancy parts packaging than the, Oh, dang it. But this time I will get it now? I think I get it now. Okay. Let's give it a little peel. Oh my god. Got it. Yes. Peeled it off. And it's time to attach. Okay, let's go with the buttons first. Attach that. There. We have it now. So, why don't we reassemble the motherboard back in? I hope I hadn't breaked anything. Also, this thing also has a MediaTek Helio G35 in it. Same as the P35, but the G35 I think is designed for power efficiency, because when researching about the chip, it said it was more slower than the P35. So I was wrong at that part. The CPU on this thing was a Tiger T610, a Unisoc Tiger T610. It is more faster than the P35 in terms of, performance because of the cores. So I'ma show you the specs here real quick, and then yeah, we'll continue on in the video. I'm sorry for the misinformation, guys. And I am sick recording this message, so yeah, bye bye. And okie dokie. Oh, that's why. Because this, yes. I am going to sell it, but the downside of this, because of the broken SIM tray, will be my fault. The SIM tray isn't, SIM tray slot isn't okay. So we'll just slap that in. and hope for the best. Camera back. Also, I'm not going to attach the other cameras. I'm just going to turn this on. Oh no, the battery. Fuck, no battery. Shice. Oh, I wasn't be careful. Oh no, the battery, man. Battery's bent down. Why did I make a vine boom in my head? I am literally sweating because I think I might have broke the... Okay. Alright. Touch now. Cause you're amazing. You are. And when you smile, oh my god, it's good, man. The life is good. Oh my god, Half-Life. Okay. We'll continue reassembling the thing. Oh my god, it turned on. Oh yes, another successful repair, guys. Yay! Ouch. Clickety click. Okay. I'll reattach you. Also, this is the one that I hate. I hate reattaching this wire thing. And I'm going to reset it. I know why. But still, I'm going to call my father in here. Or mother, okay. I'm going to call my mother in here. And, tell her that I am going to reset this phone. Okay. But I do hope that they would make me keep this phone, because my Oppo A12 is literally shitting me off with the storage. And also, oh, it doesn't have the scan QR code thing. Oh my god, how to reattach these? I feel the heat of the Helio G35 processor. But yeah, surprisingly good. Okay. Or oh, that's good. Damn, that's hot. This thing runs hot as AF. Okay. Now that's so hot, man. So freaking hot. Like, after I did repair my other phone and turn it on, it wasn't that hot. No hot like that before. But yeah, I think this thing hot now. I think this thing is more hot. So, checking for screws that are missing. Okay, screws are here, and it's probably a good time to put the new button pads thing. So where's the button pads? Ah, got you. Come here. Yes, going to pop. About phone, yes. This is a Realme C21-Y, and also it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, as you can see. So yeah, it's a pretty good phone than my Oppo A12. I do wish that they would give me this instead of selling it, but I guess it would be most reasonable. I don't know. Don't know what I'm saying, bruh. But okay, now let's go back to trying to figure out how to put something in here. This off camera to prevent some storage. Okay, I know that I fixed this, and well, you gotta see this, man. As I go into YouTube, yeah, see this? That's full volume. You can't even hear the sound. That's full volume. No, I think you can hear it. I think you can hear it. Let me put this there. Can you hear it, guys? Now. So, yeah, this video will be taking too long if I explain more, but I'm going to order a new speaker for that phone, and it's going to take a month to arrive. So get ready for month 2. We got it. We got the speaker. Now let's open it, shall we? What the? Okay. That's a lot of packaging for a speaker valve. Got speaker. Oh, okay. That's the speaker, guys. The new speaker for this thing. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it. Get the screws out of there. Also, we'll get this filter. No. And also, okay, it's the same. I'm not gonna remove the QR though. Okay, now. There we go. Filter in. Put it back there. Okay. This is now bye-bye. And we reattach. Also, I attached the buttons, but the casing is literally not accepting the last peg. But we do not care. We install it like this, and then clicky clack clack clack, and it turns on. It takes very long to boot up. It's maybe quicker than my phone here, which, you know, what I'm filming right now. Oh, and yeah, even though it has superior specs than than this phone that I'm using to record this very video. Oh, and I lied I think I was wrong. Not I lied. Because it means I lied. I lied. Also, this is reset as well. So we're gonna set up that for later. But this thing has a Unisoc T606, or I don't know, but we'll see it in the video. It has pretty good gaming performance that Ringo Studios would very like. Now, English United States start. Game. Yes, my friends. And also, I have something. Controller. Now let's connect it. Now, what game should we start playing? We have Roblox and, let's start with Real Racing. Here we go. Gran Turismo, but for phones. Okay, round 4 begins. Do I care? Do I even care? Only play this for fun. Continue. Yes, that's my car right there. Call that the Mark 5. Hehe. Speed Racer reference. Get it? Now. Exhibition. Head to head now. We're going to the other time trials. Okay, sneeze alert. Now where's the other one? Ooh, Franco Champs. That's my car right there. It's the Mark 5. Let's see it. Let's see it right now. That's my car. It's literally I made it look like the Mark 5, so yeah. I'm a Speed Racer fan. Only the movie version, not the actual series. I only like the movie because very brain frying or eye frying thing in a controller. No, don't turn off cache. Okay. Oh, freak. Nah, we don't care. It's just testing. Look at that. It's so freaking smooth, man. I'm switching to the D-pad right here. It's too sensitive. Turning. But yeah, it's literally very, I think, high graphics. Or I think it's high medium. I don't know. Anyway, I can confirm this more like it's 50 or 50 to 60 FPS. Which is great. Greater than my camera recording, editing, my daily use phone. Right here. This thing's bullcrap. I played Rail Racing on it once and it was bullcrap. It was bullcrap. Now, we're done with that. Oh wait, no, wait. Dang it. We'll try this one. I am curious if this game works with a controller. Because, okay. Single player. Watermark, no. Like this rusty thing better. Deathmatch. Okay, let's close that and let's go to the settings. Low. Nah. Yeah, timing. Yeah, high. Target frame rate is 790. Show FPS counter 480p. Nah, 1080. Back. Single player. Walmart. Rusty. Bots. Don't mind me. I am just a noob in here. Okay. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Doesn't like controllers. Okay. It's time to see my hands now. Oh, I gotta focus on my camera. Oh no. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Oh my god, I'm already dead. I'm already dead. Now, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. You can see it's on 61 FPS, so that's very good. Good. Not gonna lie, this is even more better than my phone. My phone I'm currently using right now as a camera can't hit 60 FPS on high and 1080p settings on this game. Makes me want to own this instead of selling it. But my papa decided to sell it, so you know. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next one. Oh, what should we do? They let me keep it. So, well, I convinced my father to keep this. And then, my grandmother bought this. You know, this is my old mobile phone that I repaired for a video. So, I think I might not need this anymore. Don't need it anymore. So yeah, I have the beauty of this Realme C21-Y. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!